So Kai is with Notion Systems, and they're actually a gold sponsor. And he'll be telling us about enabling inkjet additive processes in electronics production.
Okay, thank you. So first of all, thank you for having me. I'll give a short intro to what we do at Notion Systems and then speak about the technology. Basically, we are enabling additive electronics with our systems, and I hope that you like what I present. So what do we do at Notion Systems? We build inkjet platforms for functional materials from laboratory to industrial production and do the full scale-up process. So just a short history of time. So Notion System has been founded in 2012 by 4 engineers. What have we done? We define ourselves very much by the platforms that we built. So we started with 3D printing of optical lenses. We did some printing of solder mask started that project in 2015 already. Went to display, have installations in display industry, had some installations in roll-to-roll, expanded the presence in the market for the solder mask printer, which is a product by now, and with multiple installations in North America and Asia. We have then it was, I think, 2018 that we had our first product where we can say that any end product that has a color or any color e-reader on this planet will have seen a Notion Systems machine, which is quite nice for a small company like us to do such a statement. We then entered also into applications in semicon, resist processing, and others. In 2021, we became a member of the large group Lab 14, and just recently we moved into a new building. But of course, we still build machines as we do. Not to forget. These are a lot of pictures of machines, but of course they're all built by the team, by the company is run by many of my colleagues in the background. Just some pictures you see over here. Okay, so coming to the strategy, this doesn't come out as I expected. I'm sorry for that. But there are 2 main things what makes Notion Systems successful. These are the strategy that we have, and comprises of 2 main parts, which is, so part 1 is the market view. So we try to replace subtractive process chains in electronics production by additive ones. I've spoken about that to this audience or to the TechBlick several times. So I want to focus on the second part for this presentation now, and this is more on the technology side, which enables replacing those subtractive process chains, and this is increasing reliability and accuracy in inkjet additive processes. Okay, one thing is, how do we do that, or what is I'll take the example of display printing, because it very nicely shows what the challenges are in doing very precise inkjet printing for electronics production. And one thing you come across when you do inkjet or inkjet in display is the term Mura, which are visible non-uniformities and inconsistencies in brightness, color, or appearance in the pixels. So pixel to pixel variations. There's a brightness mirror, there's a color mirror, there are pattern mirrors. And of course, if you try to print pixels like an OLED or quantum dot printer or a color filter printer, you come across all those terms, and you need to get rid of those with your printing device. So in terms of so what can we do as a machine builder to overcome these challenges?